My name is Esther. In 2010, I entered the UK on a Tier 1 visa for an initial period of 3 years. I was fortunate to find a secure job soon after settling in the UK. Towards the end of my 3 years visa, I sent my application for an extension of my visa to the Home Office. I was so confident of a positive outcome as I knew I could prove long-term employment and had kept a healthy balance of funds in my bank accounts. One day, I got back from work and started going through my mail. I noticed there was a letter from the Home Office which brightened my mood as I remembered thinking, "Great, my extension application has now been granted." I opened that letter first and I could not believe my eyes when I read that my extension application had been refused. The basis for the refusal was that during the specified period, the balance in one of my bank accounts went below the required minimum income threshold. This was obviously a mistake, as I had 2 bank accounts and the Home Office had erroneously only considered one of these bank accounts. I was dumbfounded and didn't know what to do. I searched for UK immigration solicitors online and came across Zaidi Solicitors. I called them up first thing in the morning and immediately knew I was in very capable hands. I had no hesitation in appointing them to handle my case. Soon after, Zaidi Solicitors provided an initial assessment and advised me to appeal the refusal decision on the basis that the Home Office failed to consider all the evidence in support of my application. I did not know what all this meant, but I was assured by Zaidi Solicitors that I would be allowed to provide my side of the story at the immigration appeal hearing. Sure enough, within 6 weeks I was standing in front of an immigration judge and Zaidi Solicitors were representing me. They argued my case on my behalf and it did not take long for the judge to allow my appeal. And I was granted limited leave to remain in the UK. I was overjoyed with this outcome and I owe it all to Zaidi Solicitors. Trust me, they will fight in your corner.